Hey everyone, this is Christian Nabush, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell their homes here in the Gulf Beach communities of Pinellas County. And I want to bring to your attention some of the homes that have been on the market that have recently had a price reduction in the last few days. First off, in my backyard of Treasure Island, there is a beautiful 4-bed, 4-bath, 4,000 square foot new construction property listed with Century 21 Jim White and Associates that's been reduced to $3,780,000. Next door in Madeira Beach is a beautiful condo that's listed with Century 21 Real Estate Champions. That's 3 beds, 2 baths, 1,130 square feet. And this condo has been reduced down to $999,500, so just under $1 million. Next door to that property, actually listed with Keller Williams Beaches, is a beautiful 3-bed, 3-bath home that's on the water. It has its own beach access, listed for $1,435,500. Up next door in St. Petersburg, Remax Preferred has reduced the price of a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,649 square foot home down to $1,025,000. And finally, up in Bel Air Beach, Century 21 Coastal has reduced the price of a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,902 square foot home on the water for $1,090,000. If these homes sound of interest to you, or you're looking for a home here in the Gulf Beach communities, you can reach me at 727-303-1521 or hit me up on my social media at CD Selling St. Pete. Talk to you later.